Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of powerful laptops tailored for demanding tasks like AutoCAD and 3ds Max. If you're a designer, architect, or creative professional looking for a laptop that can handle heavy graphics and complex rendering, you're in the right place. We've rounded up the top 5 laptops that are absolute beasts when it comes to running AutoCAD and 3ds Max smoothly. Before starting the video, the buy links are given in the description and you can buy these laptops from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. Let's jump right in. Kicking off our list is the Asus ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop. This powerhouse boasts a stunning 16-inch Nebula display with a 1610 QHD resolution at a mind-blowing 240 Hz. Under the hood, it's equipped with an Intel Core i9-13980HX processor and the GeForce RTX 4050 GPU. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a lightning-fast 1TB PCIe SSD, this laptop is ready to tackle your AutoCAD and 3ds Max projects with ease. And of course, it runs on Windows 11 for that seamless user experience. The MSI Pulse GL66 laptop takes center stage with its 15.6-inch Full HD display featuring a swift 144 Hz refresh rate. Fueled by the potent Intel Core i7-12700H and an RTX 3070 GPU, this laptop is a powerhouse tailored for design and rendering tasks. Boasting 16 GB of RAM and a rapid 512 GB NVMe SSD, it effortlessly tackles the demands of resource-intensive applications. Elevating the user experience, it features an RGB gaming keyboard for customization, Cooler Boost 5 technology for efficient thermal management, and operates on the user-friendly Windows 11 Home. This laptop seamlessly blends gaming prowess with productivity, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a versatile and high-performance computing solution. Introducing the Razer Blade 18 laptop, featuring an impressive 18-inch QHD plus 240 Hz display powered by an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 and a 13th Gen Intel 24-core i9HX CPU. With a substantial 32 GB of RAM and a capacious 2 TB SSD, this laptop is a performance juggernaut catering to the most demanding AutoCAD and 3D Max creative tasks. Beyond its technical prowess, the Razer Blade 18 showcases a sleek CNC aluminum build marrying power with aesthetics. The addition of a compact GAN charger ensures convenience, while the integration of Windows 11 completes the package, making it an all-encompassing choice for creative professionals seeking a top-tier computing experience. Next one is the Dell Newest XPS 159510 Elite laptop, featuring a brilliant 15.6-inch FHD plus display with 500 nits brightness. Driven by an Intel i7-11800H and an RTX 3050 GPU for seamless graphics performance. Boasting 32 GB of RAM and a spacious 1TB SSD, this laptop doesn't just deliver power but also upholds the premium XPS build quality. The inclusion of an IR webcam ensures enhanced security, while the backlit keyboard and Thunderbolt 4 support add to the overall professional-grade experience. With its powerful specs and thoughtful features, the Dell XPS 19510 stands as an excellent choice for professionals seeking a high-performance and reliable computing solution. The last one is the MSI Raider GE67Hx. We're greeted by a mesmerizing 15.6-inch OLED QHD display boasting a swift 240 Hz refresh rate, delivering a visual spectacle. Powered by an Intel Core i9-12900HX and an RTX 3080 Ti, this laptop stands as a true performance beast, catering not only to gaming enthusiasts but also serving as an absolute workhorse for demanding applications like AutoCAD and 3ds Max. With a substantial 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a lightning-fast 1TB NVMe SSD, it seamlessly handles resource-intensive tasks. The laptop's versatility is further accentuated by the inclusion of USB Type-C and Thunderbolt 4 ports, ensuring enhanced connectivity options. While the Cooler Boost 5 technology guarantees efficient thermal management during prolonged usage. In essence, the MSI Raider GE67Hx encapsulates both power and versatility, making it a compelling choice for users seeking a laptop that excels in both gaming and professional-grade applications. And that's it, our top 5 laptops for AutoCAD and 3DS Max in 2024. Whether you're working on intricate designs or rendering complex 3D models, these laptops are up to the task. Make sure to check the links in the description for more details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching and happy designing.